Ruby Nell Bridges was born on September 8, 1954 in Tylertown, Mississippi. The fact that she was born on the same year the Supreme Court's Brown v. Board of Education decision desegregated the schools is a notable coincidence. When Ruby was in kindergarten, she was one of many African American students in New Orleans who were chosen to take a test determining whether or not she could attend a white school. It was said that the test was written to be especially difficult so that the students would have a hard time passing. In 1960, Ruby's parents were informed by officials from the NAACP that she was one of only 6 African American students to pass the test. When Ruby and the federal marshals arrived at the school, large crowds of people were gathered in front, yelling and throwing objects. Because of the commotion, Ruby first believed it was like a Mardi Gras celebration. Only one teacher, Barbara Henry, agreed to teach Ruby. Barbara Henry was from Boston and new to the school. Ruby's first few weeks at William Frantz School were not easy ones. Several times she was confronted with blatant racism in full view of her federal escorts. Once a woman threatened to poison her. On another day she was greeted by a woman displaying a black doll in a wooden coffin. After winter break, Ruby showed signs of stress. She experienced nightmares. She stopped eating lunch in her classroom, which she usually ate alone. She would not eat the sandwiches her mother packed her. Instead, she would hide them in a storage cabinet in the classroom. Ruby started seeing child psychologist Dr. Robert Coles. He was very concerned about how such a young girl would handle the pressure. Near the end of the first year, things began to settle down. A few white children in Ruby's grade returned to the school. When another child rejected Ruby's friendship because of race, Ruby began to slowly understand. Ruby finished grade school and graduated from the integrated Francis T. Nicholas High School in New Orleans.